I'd do a bit on the Uno, hey guys. Weather's nice, got a new cover. Might as well crack on with it because I know this is what people want to see. Oh no! Inside's done. Anyone ain't got one of those for us? I'll repair this one for now. But anyway, I'm going to just tackle the rust, what it's gathered, and I may lower it off the back axle stands, put up the front, maybe drag the engine out, because I'm sick of waiting for an engine crane, and you do take them out from the bottom, but it's easy with no front panel being in situ, so it makes sense to just drag it forward. But you know, got a friend coming round soon, you can help me drag it forward. I've used this wire brush on the grinder, cost about £2.99 from Aldi or Lidl. It is starting to fly off now, bits are starting to fly off, so make sure you got glasses on anyway. Some bits there I can't get to, but I'll get to them with a power file and the Dremel. And then I'm going to remove that earth, straighten up that, remove this, remove that, straighten up the kink in that with a weight, and then I'm going to lower it, the back end to the floor, jack up the front. That's cracker. Give it a quick blow first though. That's enough for today. Engine's out for now. I've removed the engine mount bracket as well, that's not needed. You can see where it was. I'll clean it up. I'll paint all in here. Put a weld in that. Weld in there, weld in there, weld in there where someone's put some aftermarket self-tapper screws in. I need to weld that, fill that bit, grind it back. Same again where the old brackets was, because it was a Mk2, and prime that up tomorrow. Well, I've chucked some of the rust off. I want to get the rest of the rust off, but I've got a job I need to go and do now, but I'll try and sort that out ASAP.
24 hours later.
I've offered up the Mk1 front panel so I can get an idea of where to mark for the weld through primer, because I'm not doing it all. I'm just going to basically do the spots where I'm going to be welding on these spot welds where they've been, where I've drilled them. So I'm just offering it up, making sure it all lines up before I attack it, which won't be today because the weather doesn't look great. So I'll just do what I can now, clean it up a bit, and then hopefully it'll be better tomorrow, the weather. Looks well though so far.
To 6 weeks later.
Quick bit of work on the Uno as the sun sets, guys. We're doing some high build white primer over this etch primer. Let's get it on before it gets any darker. Ammo. Well, the sun's gone and I'm done. This will be painted next. And the front panel can be offered up, welded in place, seam sealed and painted again. See you later guys. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. Helps me be encouraged to make more videos.